Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever thought about moving to a different email service or simply want a backup of your important messages, today's guide will walk you through how to export your emails from Zoho Mail quickly and securely. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your data safe and accessible whenever you need it. First, go ahead and log in to your Zoho Mail account. Open your browser, head over to the Zoho Mail website, and sign in with your email address and password. Once you're inside your inbox, take a quick look at the layout so you know where everything is. It will make the next steps easier. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the settings icon, usually shaped like a gear. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, choose the option called Import/Export Emails. This will take you to the section where you can easily manage your email data. On this page, you'll notice an option labeled Export as EML. The EML format is widely supported across different email clients, which means you'll still be able to access and open your emails after exporting them. Click on Export as EML to begin. Next, Zoho will ask you to select the folder you want to export. You'll see options like Inbox, Sent Items, or even custom folders you may have created. Pick the folder that contains the emails you need. This helps keep your exported data clean and organized instead of grabbing everything at once. After that, set your export date range. This step is really useful if you only need emails from a certain time period. For example, you can export emails from just the last year or a specific project timeline. You'll also see a checkbox that allows you to include subfolders. If you want to capture everything under the main folder, make sure to check that box. Once your selections are ready, go ahead and click Export as EML. Zoho will then process your request, and depending on how many emails you're exporting, this may take a few moments. When the process finishes, your selected emails will be saved to your computer in the EML format. And that's it. You now have a backup of your Zoho emails stored safely on your device. Whether you're switching to a new email service or just keeping a backup for security, this method ensures your data stays protected and easy to access. I hope this tutorial made things clear and simple for you. If you found it helpful, do not forget to like this video, share it with others who might need it, and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.